An organized kitchen not only looks visually appealing, but also significantly enhances efficiency. In this video, we will show you 12 kitchen organization gadgets designed to maximize your storage space. Let's get started. Streamline your fridge organization with the ingenious YouCopia RollDown egg dispenser. This nifty two-tier design stores and dispenses up to 14 standard, large, or jumbo eggs with zero hassle. Forget bulky egg cartons that hog precious fridge space. The RollDown takes up minimal room while keeping your eggs fresh, contained, and easily accessible. Its gravity-fed rolling design quite literally hands you a new egg every time you remove one. No annoying assembly required. Just load your eggs into the dispenser and they're ready to roll out smoothly, one by one. Built-in non-slip feet keep it securely in place on any fridge shelf. Unlock new kitchen convenience with the original StoveShelf magnetic stove shelf. This innovative storage solution mounts seamlessly on top of your stove, putting all your cooking essentials within easy reach. No more cluttered counters or frantic searches for oils, spices, and utensils mid-recipe. The durable stove shelf provides a dedicated, organized space right on your stovetop. Installation is an absolute breeze. No drilling, adhesives, or permanent modifications required. StoveShelf's powerful built-in magnets securely grip most flat or curved stovetops made from magnetic materials. This ingenious rack system helps you neatly store and access baking sheets, pots, pans, lids, and more. With 10 adjustable divider wires included, you can fully customize the spacing to perfectly fit your cookware collection, from large platters and skillets down to small lids. The sturdy base keeps everything upright and prevents round items from rolling around. But the real magic is the organizer's expandable design. It easily adjusts from 12 to 22 inches wide, conforming to just about any cabinet size for a tailored fit. No more wasted space. Setting it up is literally a 1-minute job without any tools required. Simply expand the wireframe to your desired width, then secure it in place using the non-slip feet. Bring order to your cluttered utensil drawers with the Joseph Slim Cutlery Organizer. This smart design turns chaos into perfected organization in one simple step. No more rummaging through a jumbled mess of mixed forks, knives, and spoons. The Slim Organizer has designated angled compartments clearly labeled for each type of cutlery. At a glance, you can quickly find whatever you need. But this organizer doesn't just separate, it maximizes space too. The stacked compartments condense up to 24 pieces of flatware into an upright, compact footprint. Made of durable, BPA-free plastic, the Slim Organizer has a low 2.25-inch profile designed to fit snugly in drawers just 3.25 inches deep. Transform your cluttered pantry into an organized oasis with the Utopia kitchen storage can rack. This stackable metal rack system maximizes every inch of space while providing easy access to all your canned goods. With its smart modular design, the Utopia rack expands vertically up to 3 levels using the included connectors. Each tier offers enough room for 12 cans or jars, letting you neatly store up to 36 items total in a concise footprint. No more jumbled, disorganized piles hiding what you need. The open-faced racks put all your products in clear view for effortless inventory at a glance. Find exactly what you want instantly, without endless rummaging. This adjustable caddy brings all your wrap, foil, parchment, and baggies together in one supremely organized vertical display. No more squinting at crumpled boxes to find what you need. The WrapStand's 8 adjustable wire holders let you store up to 3.5-inch wide boxes facing outward for easy identification and dispensing. Simply pull out the box you want without dislodging the rest. The sturdy plastic and steel construction keeps everything upright and accessible, maximizing your storage space. At under 6 inches deep and 12 inches tall, it fits neatly on countertops or in cabinets. And with the built-in carry handle, you can easily move the entire caddy wherever your meal prep takes you. Bring order to cluttered food storage bags with the YouCopia StoraBag drawer dispenser. This ingenious organizer neatly contains and dispenses gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack bags from a streamlined, easy-to-clean plastic unit. The StoraBag has designated compartments with wide slots that let you effortlessly remove one bag at a time. An additional slot keeps rubber bands and twist ties within reach. The removable top lid makes reloading new bag boxes a total breeze. No more wasted space or mystery bags. You can clearly see your inventory at a glance. 24 removable labels help you instantly identify bag sizes during meal prep. These clear plastic bins keep dry goods fresh while providing streamlined, stackable storage. Say goodbye to cluttered shelves and rummaged boxes. The see-through design lets you easily identify contents at a glance without opening lids. No more mystery bags or lost items lost behind larger packages. But these containers don't just provide visibility. They protect freshness too. The Airtight sealed lids use a simple ring mechanism that locks out moisture and staleness with just a flip. Your foods stay crisp longer. The included reusable chalkboard labels make organization a breeze. Clearly designate bins for flour, sugar, cereal, and more. Switch out contents whenever needed with the rewritable labels. Maximize your undersink storage with the ingenious REALINN undersink organizer. This sturdy steel rack system brings streamlined organization to any kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room. Its smart L-shaped design maximizes vertical space with a narrow top tier for small items and a wider bottom basket, leaving clearance for pipes and tall bottles up to 8 inches high. No more wasted space. But what really sets this organizer apart is the sliding pull-out drawer bottom. With built-in handles on both sides, you can easily access items stored in the back without straining or dislodging everything above. Constructed from heavy-duty baked steel, the REALINN organizer supports up to 50 pounds while providing rust and water resistance. Transform cluttered spice cabinets into a perfectly organized oasis with the YouCopia SpiceLiner drawer liner system. This brilliant product lets you custom-build sleek, streamlined spice storage right inside your kitchen drawers. No more cramming bottles on messy racks or wasting cabinet space. The flexible 10-foot foam liner roll lets you design spice storage to perfectly fit your drawer dimensions. Just cut the liner strips to size using the included measuring tape. Once installed, the SpiceLiner accommodates over 30 full-sized spice bottles, round, square, tall, or small, all neatly arranged in tidy rows. With spice labels facing up, you can identify contents at a glance without rummaging. This modern, clear plastic rack provides the perfect horizontal storage solution for the kitchen counter, pantry, fridge, or anywhere bottles tend to accumulate. Each rack holds up to 3 bottles in individual compartments, making it easy to grab drinks on the go. The stackable design allows you to create vertical storage as needed, ideal for small spaces like apartments, RVs, or compact wine bars with room for up to 12 bottles. But this versatile rack goes beyond just water bottles. Use it to neatly store wine bottles, soda cans, sports drinks, and more. The sleek style complements any decor while bringing order to your kitchen, home gym, or commercial facility. Bid farewell to cluttered cabinets and drawers with the YouCopia StoraLid food container lid organizer. This genius expandable organizer is the solution to finally taming your unruly collection of mismatched Tupperware lids. With over 25,000 5-star reviews, the StoraLid system puts an end to endless lid hunting. It expands from 13.5 to 22.5 inches wide to maximize space in any cabinet, pantry, or deep drawer. 8 adjustable dividers keep lids upright and sorted by size or style for easy visibility. No more wrestling to fit awkwardly shaped lids. The dividers accommodate round, square, even clip lock styles. The expandable design allows you to customize the perfect fit for your lid assortment.